What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got this Xmarto dual camera security camera. This one is on like a gimbal, so it can go up, down, around. It's 2.5 GHz, so that means that you cannot actually use 5G with it. You have to like downgrade. But you could also use the Ethernet that it has on it. You have to get a special app to actually see what it has on there. The app is called Wall Pixel. I got a link or a QR code right there so that you can click on that or scan it with your phone. It comes with like a little sticker to stick on stuff so that people know that your house is protected by these cameras. It has these two little antennas that you cannot actually have pointed down, because then when the camera's looking there, you won't be able to see right there. The antennas are blocking the view of the camera. It comes with a little wall charger. It's about 6 feet, maybe longer. Actually, maybe 10 feet. Comes with this. It comes with a little orange gasket in there. This is just for connecting your two Ethernet cables together. Also comes with some drywall clippers and 4 screws. That would be nice. And when you're actually setting it up, you only have to use 2 of those screws. How you set it up is you just unclip this, slide it down. You screw in the 2 screws on here, and then once this is on your wall, you can just easily slide it into place like that. This camera also has infrared lights on it, so on the app, you have a little light button that turns on these 2 lights, like floodlights, so that you can like point it at someone, or you could be sneaky and not have them know that you're looking at them through this. This also has a microphone inside of it, so you can hear whatever other people are saying, or you can talk back using the speaker that it has on there, and you just talk into your phone, and then it uses Wi-Fi and displays what you're saying. All right, so when it comes to mounting it, I think I'm gonna mount it right here. All right, so I just got it all set up. It looks pretty cool up there. It's sturdy, just a little wiggly because it's only held on by 2 bolts, but it's more than enough to hold up the thing. So I had it set up like this, as like, or a little bit more than 180-degree turning radius on this camera, so you can like have it pointed this way and then still see all of over there with the top camera, and then this camera can see like if someone's parked in here, what people are doing in here, and if the garage was open, you can see it outside the garage. But it's pretty cool. If you want to go in, the link is in the description below. Peace out.